Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners part 2, and the subject and the title we're going to talk about the right system. So you definitely want to pay attention to this message because this can absolutely help you. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. You know what time it is. You know who this is. It is time to do another video to help you out, and we have part 2 of this series of the affiliate market for beginners, part 2, and we're going to talk about the right systems. Now, when I first got online, I didn't know the right system to trust. So the first, if we recap back on the first episode of part 1, we talked about mindset and the right coaching. Part 2, we're going to talk about the right systems, because there's so many systems out there that can help you and help you be successful. But the right system is going to be the more profitable system, the done for you system, the system that's going to help you grow your marketing and online business journey. And you want a system there that does have the coaching and the mentorship as well, that's already in place. But you want a right system that is going to really improve your performance, your marketing, your communication, and your branding. So when I first got online, I was searching all over the place, and I didn't find the right system that I felt comfortable with, because I didn't have any direction in terms of what right system to trust. I mean, I wasted a lot of time searching from one to another, spinning my wheels, confused, overwhelmed all the time. And I'm sure you have. I know you can be, I definitely can relate to this message. But the right systems can really help you and put you in place where you can succeed. You can grow yourself, that you can help somebody else out, and you can have that freedom lifestyle. You have an opportunity to have that freedom lifestyle, to quit your job, to stop, just dealing with things with your boss. You can have more freedom and more control of your business. But you do need the right system to put you in place to be able to do that. So the right systems, I do have a system for you can go ahead and check out, because it can help you, because like it helped me. So right below this video, I have an unbelievable opportunity for you to get signed up for this system called the Power Lead system. Now this system helps so many people, new people, veteran people, people who just got online, people who's been online for the next 1 or 2 years. They help so many people because it's a lot of training back there. So there's so many different levels of the training back there, and it helps you grow your online business. Now, if you already have a primary business, no problem. This system can leverage off that system. So if you're an internet marketer, affiliate marketer, the Power Lead system can really help you out, because everything is easy in place, and plus I'll be there to help you every step of the way to put you in a position to be successful, especially if you're online and you're new. Because I know you're new, and I know that you've been having problems trying to find the right mentor, they're trying to find the right system. This is the solution to your problem. So click on the link below, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. And stay tuned to part 3 of the affiliate marketing for beginners. Stay tuned to part 3 of this series. I'll see you in the next video.